Using LeadPages for real estate lead generation is a powerful way to quickly set up landing pages, capture leads, and grow your real estate business. But before you dive into using this tool, there are some things you should know. Stick around to the end of this video, as I'll also share an even better alternative that could boost your real estate lead generation even further, along with exclusive access to extended free trials for both. First things first, let's get into LeadPages. It's a landing page builder that's known for its ease of use. Creating simple, professional-looking landing pages in minutes is possible, which is great when you're working in the fast-paced real estate market. But while the ease of use is a big plus, LeadPages is a bit limited when it comes to customization. You can create pages, but if you're looking for advanced customization or features like custom integrations with CRM tools, you may find yourself a little restricted. Next thing to consider is the templates. LeadPages offers a wide variety of templates tailored for real estate businesses, which is awesome because it saves time. You can easily use one of their pre-built templates designed for lead capture, newsletter signups, or even property listings. But while this may seem convenient, many of these templates look similar, and if you're not looking to put in a little extra effort to personalize them, your pages might blend in with others in the industry. The third thing I want to mention is the pricing. LeadPages offers a few different plans, but when compared to other software solutions, it can seem like a bit of a hefty investment, especially if you're just starting out. The lower tier plan may seem appealing, but you're often missing out on key features like A/B testing and other advanced functionalities that can significantly improve conversion rates in real estate lead generation. Next, let's talk about the user experience. LeadPages is relatively simple to use, but if you're new to landing page builders, there is a bit of a learning curve. The drag and drop editor is intuitive, but not always the most responsive when it comes to customizing every small detail. That's something to keep in mind if you need full control over the look of your pages. The next thing to consider is how well it integrates with other tools, especially for real estate professionals. LeadPages does offer integrations with popular email marketing and CRM systems, but it can sometimes feel like you need to use a lot of workarounds to make everything connect smoothly. It's not a deal breaker, but it's worth considering if you're using niche tools or if you plan on scaling your real estate business in the future. Now, here's where things get interesting, because there's a better alternative that could do more for you when it comes to real estate lead generation. While LeadPages is good, it lacks some of the powerful features that are crucial when trying to scale your business. The better alternative I'm talking about has more robust features, including advanced CRM integrations, better customization, and a much smoother user experience. And here's the best part. Through the link in the description, you can get exclusive access to an extended free trial about software. Plus, if you're looking for alternatives that also have free trials, I've added some amazing options that are better suited for generating real estate leads effectively. Remember, the goal here is to not just get leads, but to turn those leads into clients. That's why I recommend checking out this other platform if you want to take your real estate lead generation efforts to the next level. Again, the link in the description will give you exclusive access to these trials and benefits that are only available to our viewers. Make sure to click it, try out the software, and see the difference it makes for your business. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your real estate endeavors.